What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 7th of August. We're going to take a look at Aerodrome Finance. We'll take a look at Bitcoin as well. We have another nice little rally here this morning so far for the cryptocurrency markets and the regular markets as well, the futures markets, that is US stock market futures. So Bitcoin's up 1565. We have Aerodrome up 0.02 or 3.3%. Uh, couple nice things here. We have a nice daily higher low yesterday, as well today. Another daily higher low. Quite the sell-off. Do we V-bottom out of here? Time will tell. We could see a recovery similar to what we saw back in here. That was early July, just about a month ago or so, where we had two very strong up days. A pretty good smashing, and then we continued back to the upside, basically straight up, although the bottom came in not with a higher low, at least for the where we closed up on the day. You can see we closed up on the day after the initial low so far. We'll see. Usually big candle wicks like this mark some kind of a low. Could be short term. Time will tell, guys. So obviously we have a bunch of resistance levels above the market. All these lines here are resistance levels above the market. What I want to talk about is we have two new price targets, pretty far above the current price. So we have one at 88,091. That's right here, guys. 88,091. That's a new target to look for. If this rally does continue, there's a chance we find some resistance right in here around 80. We have some old support here flipped into resistance. 88,091 is that new level. It's new as of this morning. And then we have another one, 104,829. 104,829. That's up in here. So what those are going to look like from where we're currently trading, which is 70, up to that new level, 25%, up to 88,091, 25% move, and then basically back to the highs of this, about a 49-50% move. 25 to 50% move, guys. Those are the new targets. Now, again, this might roll over. This market might roll over and we start to put in new lows. Time will tell, judging by this big candle wick that we've seen the bottom for now. And but of course, that could be taken out, but I don't think it'll be taken out right away. Let's drop over to Bitcoin real quick. We'll come back to the Aerodrome Finance chart. So Bitcoin as well, similar looking chart. Or I should say Aerodrome looks similar to Bitcoin. We have a daily higher low, big candle wick here, another daily higher high and higher low. Next resistance level up there at 58,910. Time will tell. Do we V bottom out of here? Possibly. Next major resistance would be the lower end of this consolidation, which would be basically starting at 63,788, going all the way up to 64,375. That's definitely going to be some resistance, if and when the price gets back up to there. It's a pretty large move to get back up there. You can see, a 10 to 12% move. So we'll see. This usually could be we could easily V bottom out of here. We did take out some important lows from over here in early July. Washed them out, and then maybe we recover from here. We do have some pretty high Bitcoin targets. Whenever it's ready, we go 80,000, 96,000, 130,000. Once we break above the highs here around 73, 74, Easily get up to 80 for starters, and then we'll have to reassess there. But we do have a target up here at 96. You know, maybe it's this cycle, maybe it's not. We're flat Bitcoin right now. We're looking to get long the micro futures product. We were long those. We got stopped out. We had a failed breakout here, reversed, and started the trade lower. We quickly got out before this big plunge, and we're just sitting on the sidelines now. And if this thing continues to ramp to the upside and show strength, we'll definitely be jumping back on board in hopes for a big breakout to the upside into new all-time highs. We'll see, though. Time will tell, guys. But for right now, we are sitting on the sidelines as potential change in trend back to the downside. Whether it holds or not, again, time will tell. And I just expect Aerodrome to follow, similar to what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin starts to do really well and starts to rally again super strong, I would expect Aerodrome to get back up to this resistance line, potentially above it, and start to talk about those two new targets, which are, let's see here, 88,091 and 104,829. So 88,091 and 104,829. Those are the two new targets. That's just about it, guys. That's pretty much what's going on here with Aerodrome and the rest of the markets. We had a decent day yesterday in the stock market futures, decent recovery day. They faded a lot, though, in the afternoon. They're up again today, but basically still within the same range as yesterday. So, hey, we'll see how we go here. Definitely a decent amount of fear came in pretty quick on that sell-off, but we'll see. We're flat most of the markets as they started to show some cracks and some warning signs. We got out before the major sell-off, so we're basically flat. But of course, that's not financial advice, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Let's see. Maybe the bottom's in. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments.